season. Just me, the TV, and all the snacks I can eat.
Yes, it's a great day for an exciting game of badminton.
They got the bad part right.
Aye, 'tis a fine day for the Healing Games.
I love the Healing Games. Better stock up on some more munchies. Now, where are my haggis-flavored pork rinds?
This concludes our free preview. If you want to see the Healing Games, call your local cable service and pay up today.
No! Me Healing Games!
Congratulations, Mr. Walrus. You're an official cable subscriber.
Yippee-dippy.
I get a bonus for any referrals, Mr. Walrus. Maybe you could have some friends over to enjoy the Highland Games.
Did you say Highland Games?
No Highland Games for me. Just the Swedish channel, yeah.
Hey, buddy, can you put your cable on sale for a true Scottish patriot? The Highland Games are the pride of me people. Wait, I've watched them since I was a wee scraper of a twig pecker.
No discounts on my watch, Red. You pay full price like everybody else.
Only 2 hours till the games, and I can't afford full price. I need cable.
Oh, yoy, the Swedish channel.
Excuse me, Mr. Walrus, but we forgot one crucial part of your cable, the black box. Alrighty then, Mr. W. We'll phone you from the cable office. You tell us when your parabolic receiver is giving you the best reception.
Hello?
Okay, Mr. W. I just need you to scan through the channels and stop on 47. Stop right there. And, could you turn up the volume? Now, don't move for, say, a week, while we make some very technical adjustments.
Just doing a service check, Mr. Walrus. How's your cable service going, huh?
The cable's still not coming in.
What?
Just, sampling.
Woodpecker! It's a federal offense to impersonate a man at a cable. I'll be keeping a sharp eye on you, Red. That cable service is licensed to Mr. Walrus's TV and his TV only.
If the cable's wired to Wally's TV, that's just okie dokie with me. Neighbors should share and share alike.
Welcome to the Swedish channel's Cooking with Meatballs, followed by the hit game show, Oh Boy, Who Wants a Green Card? Today's recipe is entitled Cooking with Plutonium. We will make the average wiener dog into the uber wiener dog. First, we must boil the water, but not just any water. Use Swedish fjord bottled water. Available for a short time only to use Swedish channel viewers for only $30 a month. Call the number on your screen and order now. Now, pour 2 cups of Swedish fjord water into the pan and bring it to a boil. Next,
Ooh, look! The alphabets in my soup are spelling out a message. Don't hit the good-looking woodpecker.
Such flavorful yoy from such a small herb.
I've gotta watch the games. Wait a minute. The cable is registered to Wally, so the cable can only be watched in Wally's house. Not a problem.
This is odd.
Today's simulcast will cover all sorts of events from the...
This is yours.
cable, satellite is the best reception on the planet. 3, 2, 1. And the best part is, it's free. Now I'll never get to watch the Highland Games.
You're under arrest for violation of airspace, violation of international satellite treaties, violation of local and federal zoning laws, and for generally having an all-out bad idea.
You can't arrest me.
I can't, but he can.
Oh boy, we get the Highland Games.
The only games in here are chess by mail and a little diversion the boys call, "Hey, what are you staring at?"
Now for my version of What Are You Staring At? The Highland Games. Could you at least turn up the volume?